Right there I am. All right. Now we're going to do what we thought here. Three for departure. 0 Delta Sierra, runway 3, wind 100, take clear for takeoff. Takeoff, runway 3, 2 Delta Sierra.
All right, we are good to go. That should.
Yes, sir. 302 in there. We're all squared away. Let's rock and roll it.
We're clear on final and clear down the runway.
Up and down. All right, we're looking good. All right. Rock and roll. I don't know. Am I going to have enough runway?
Maybe. For field
1,000
takeoff.
feet, I hope so. Here we go. Ready? 1, 4. Little crosswind there. Oh boy, that's steep. All right, well, there we go.
All right, we are up and away.
Oh man, look at my crab already. All right, runway heading. All right, clear of that elevation.
0 Delta Sierra, or sorry, 8 Delta Sierra, contact departure.
All right.
I'm in 208 Delta Sierra, car spread departure, radar contact, altimeter 3022, climb maintain 7,000, clear direct Cap City.